Help is on the way, dear. Help is on the way. Hey, we're on site in Lanham, Maryland doing a deck over trailer DOT inspection. Deck over trailer just means that the deck of the trailer, what all of the product sits on, is over top of the tires themselves and the axles. And I'm just gonna go ahead and walk around this thing, look for any physical things that would make it fail for safety reasons, and then get into the dirty report. So my first and initial thing I see here is that we've got some pretty bad boards that are just crumbling in my fingertips. Continuing down, we just see that there's some rust and some flaky things going on. Let's see here if our battery box is okay. And our battery is good. All right. Wow. We have good trailer brake controller. Let's hear if we can hear the trailer brakes engage. Nope, that's fine. Let's go ahead and just turn on our tail lights. So most of our lights are working. Our brake lights are not. That's working. That's good. I'm gonna check the right turn signals. This working, but the rear is not working. So I just tapped on the back rear right turn signals and they came to life, which means we got a connection issue. And we've got a lot of leaks on this thing. The decking needs to be redone. There's a lot of rust. She needs some TLC for sure. So the trailer tells us these should be at 110. They're currently at 69.5. And I would like to pull these wheels and bearings out and inspect them. I can't really do that because there's too much stuff on here for us to jack up. This thing's pretty heavily loaded down. The frame is definitely getting flaky. The spring packs look okay. I just completed the DOT inspection on this deck over trailer, and she definitely is going to need some serious love. She's got some decking issues going on with the wood just rotting out, as well as some heavy flake and rust that's going to be continuing to build. We want to address that before it gets any worse. But this trailer is actually at that place where the replacement value and the cost of the repairs is going to get to that point where you may want to be looking at a new unit and not have to sink the repairs into an older trailer. It's totally up to the business owner to make that decision, and we're going to arm them with all of the information and data points that they need to make that decision. I'm Blair with Revit. I hope this video helps you understand what it takes to do an on-site DOT, and until the next video, happy motoring.